What's going on, guys? KRS back with another video. Today in this video I'm going to compare Dimensity 8000 versus Dimensity 8100. But starting off with this video, I want to tell the important note that you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe because it gives us the motivation to make more videos and more detailed videos like this. As per seen in the chart, 52 46% hasn't subscribed to the channel, which is the not a great thing. Please subscribe to our channel to support the more content like this. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Talking about the announcement of both the processor has been remained same, which is the 1st March 2022, and which is the unrealistic thing because for the first time in this channel both processor are coming with the same date announced. Talking about the CPU, you will get the 4 cortex core which are based on A78 and the speed is 2.75 gigahertz. This is for performance, and for efficiency you will get another 4 cortex core which are based on A55 and the speed is 2.0 gigahertz. Talking about the 8100, you'll get the 4 cortex core similar as the 8000, which has the same A78 based on, and the speed over here is slightly boost, which is 2.85 gbps, which is the great. And for efficiency the same thing, 4 cortex core based on is A55 and the speed is 2 gigahertz. Talking about the cores, you will get the 8 cores, and the CPU frequency over here is 2750 megahertz of 8000 series, but 8100 has the better, as we can see little bit of upgrade over there, so you'll get the 2850 megahertz. Talking about the GPU fabrication, both processor are coming with the 5 nanometer, and crash storage you will get the 7 MB, which is a really great thing. Even the GPU over here is share same, which is the Mali G610MC6. Talking about the memory, you will get the LPDDR5 and the speed 3200 megahertz, which is same in both the side by side, as both are sharing LPDDR5 storage, so the speed over here will remain same. The storage over here is UFS 3.1 in both the sides, and the display is also same, which is the 4K. The certain things remain same, and the things going on of the camera also is of the single camera support up to 200 megapixel. Over the video capture and playback, the certain things is also same, which is the 4K at 60 fps in both the side by side. Talking about the modem, no information yet, but X65 I think is the best for this, and cat 24. Talking about the benchmark in Dimensity 8000, there are not such information of the single core and multi-core score, but overall score you will get more than 8 lakh, which is a great over here. But in 8100 it has launched in the same date, but there are much more information because OnePlus is coming with this processor, and it is very near to launch in this April only it will be launched. So much more information, but 8000 series not such information. There are some phones, but announcement date hasn't yet confirmed yet. So starting off with the single core is 933 over the single core. Multi core you will get the 3836, and total score is more than 7 like.
So overall, as we can see, both the processor are doing pretty well, but the miracle thing is happening with the benchmark. The score of 8100 is little bit low, as I was thinking both the things will remain same, but 8000 win over here as the benchmark score suggested. Even the CPU of 8100 is much powerful than also. So that is the again a different thing, and first time I have seen this, the all the things are getting same but the scores are little bit of different. So there may be chances that in future, or if 8000 series comes with any phone, there are chances that score might be fluctuate or be remain same as 8100. But later this is the perfect score, I think. And the leak suggest, I know all time there is a fluctuation in the benchmark score, but I can't believe these things. So this was both the processor comparison. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe to our channel, press bell notification to also never miss any other update coming soon with another video.